Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I'll share with you how to remove a Hostinger builder website from Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And in this list, you will see all the available Hostinger builder websites available in your account. This is the website that I want to delete. This is the home page. Now, I highly recommend you to check your website like that before removing it to avoid any mistakes. Now, next to the website built using Hostinger website builder that you want to remove, click on these three dots, select delete. Here, check this box next to I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Click on delete. Your website is being deleted and it can take up to 10 minutes. Click on done. Now, to make sure that your website is deleted, just refresh this page. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now, to make sure that your website is deleted, just refresh this page. And this is how to remove a Hostinger builder website from Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.